Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Vibes. I hope you are all having a fantastic day today. I am excited to share a new update regarding a free login for your Amazon Fire TV Stick, Android box, or Super Box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get alerted every time I upload a new video. Let us get started. I want to mention that I aim to provide updates frequently because things change and improve over time. Just enjoy the process and let us dive in. First, we are going to navigate over to the search option. Type in the letters DN. Select the downloader app. I am moving quickly today, so please bear with me. Once you are on the home screen, go over to the settings menu. Select My Fire TV. Click on About. Keep clicking on the About section until the notification pops up. Hit the back button. Go to Developer Options. Ensure that ADB debugging is turned on. Click on it and select Allow. Go into Install Unknown Apps and make sure Downloader is toggled to On. Now hit the Home button and open the Downloader app. Select Next to proceed with the installation process. Enter URL http://app.iptvfi.com. Then now download Pixel TV. Enter any name, Kingstream. Enter username 29796189114. Enter password 2117587838. The application should already be set up correctly on your device. Click the Enter button. Now we are ready to access the free login, select Next, and move down to the next option. Ensure the free login option is highlighted on the screen. Click it to open. We will work from left to right. We are going to select the second option on the list. Give it a few seconds to load properly. This is a perfect time to check your internet speed. It is a good idea to check your connection speed in the morning. Try to make this a regular habit. Now we will go to the third option. No matter how you choose to check your speed, just make sure you do it regularly. You want to hold your internet provider accountable for the speeds you are actually paying for. That is a very smart thing to do. Sometimes your connection might drop or fluctuate, so you never really know until you check. Towers can go down at any time during the day. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this update. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Hit that notification bell so you are always updated when I post new content. I hope you all have a wonderful day. This has been Tech Vibes. See you in the next one.